In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy SMP 500 using Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Once from here you'll need to go up to the search bar, and then from here you'll need to click SMP 500, and here you'll get 3 recommendations for SMP 500 that you can trade with. You can either trade using the dice called SPX500 or 2 ETFs called SPY or VOO. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, but you can choose any other one. It will work exactly the same. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over to the trading option over here in the right hand corner. And once from here, you'll be able to see right here. Now from here, you'll be able to either buy or short your ETF. But from here, you'll also need to simply add in the amount that you want to trade with. So let's say I want to trade $100 for this tutorial. And here you can see the stop loss and the take profit. And from here, you can also see the leverage down here. Once from here, you'll simply need to click buy, and then from here you'll be able to see the buy order will be accepted or rejected depending on the market is opened or not. Today is a Sunday, so I cannot trade VOO, but for any other day of the week this will work. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!